Make a removable wall decal with Cricut. Step 1. First upload a design to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Once the design populates on the screen, make changes if required, then go ahead and click on Make It. Step 3. Review the design in the Prepare screen, then click on Material Size drop-down and select the 12 by 24 inch mat. Step 4. Repeat the same step for the other design, then click Continue. Step 5. Click on Browse All Materials, search and select Vinyl Material, then click Done. Step 6. Now go ahead and place the vinyl onto the mat and smooth it out. Step 7. Load the mat by pressing the flashing arrow button, then press the flashing C button to start cutting. Step 8. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, peel off the vinyl, then start weeding out the design. Step 9. Cut the decals apart. Step 10. Grab transfer tape and unroll it, wipe it down, then apply all the decals on it. Step 11. Once done, peel away the backing sheet from the vinyl, then apply the decal on the wall. Step 12. Smooth it down to make sure that the decal adheres well, then peel off the transfer tape carefully. Step 13. Go ahead and place all the decals on the wall. Step 14. Then check how your design turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.